Hello. Welcome to CHI Borders YouTube channel. My name is Ko Fujimoto. Uh, you came to the United States, but you still have uh, mutual funds in your home country. In that case, you think that you already filed FBAR, you already filed Form 8938. In both FBAR and Form 8938, you accounted for your mutual funds holding in your home country. So you think your tax returns are perfect. Well, that may not be the case because of the PFIC. So today's topic is how to handle oversight. It's not unusual at all to miss the PFIC reporting related to your mutual funds held in foreign countries. Let's get started. So the issues are here. Investment trust, such as iShares Core MSCI World UCITS ETF, Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF, Vanguard FTSE Canada ETF. These are the foreign mutual fund and qualify as PFIC. So you end up basically failing to report your PFIC on your U.S. income tax return. FBAR Form 8938 FATCA reporting has been done, but at this point of time, you're not sure if your reported amounts on your tax returns is correct. So you are risking that not properly complying with the U.S. tax laws. And if you are thinking about abandoning your green card or U.S. citizenship, and you are unable to declare tax compliance on the Form 8854. Why did you make such a mistake? One, PFIC is a special rule, separate from general income tax filing. Two, in foreign countries, there is absolutely no need to be aware of it. So you are expert in home country, security firms, European firms, Chinese firms, Japanese firms, and Indian firms. Most of them are not aware of this PFIC reporting requirement of the United States tax rules. Even in the US CPAs sometimes may not have the specialty in a PFIC. It's a very unusual. By the way, we are an international tax advisory firm based in Chicago. We specialize in cross-border individual and their families cross-border tax issue. So let's get back to the subject again. Form 8621, PFIC, would be reported on this form. It's a 4-page form, and the 4-page it takes a tremendous amount of time to calculate and fill out. Page 3 is most critical, and you are required to show your calculation process to come up with the numbers. So this is a case. I've maintained mutual funds since I was in Canada. Investment trust pay dividends every year, but those are reinvested and the number of shares increases each year. So I don't receive money, but within a fund, they issue dividends and fund invest dividend to buy the same shares. So the number of shares increases. For US tax purposes, I filed FBAR and Form 8938. On top of that, I received report from Canadian brokerage firm. I reported the dividend listed in the report on my US tax returns as a dividend. and they are taxed by the regular dividend tax rates. However, PFIC report Form 8621 was not submitted. Well, there is an issue here. FBAR Form 8938 dividend income were reported, but no Form 8621. So as a result, if any dividends are classified as an excess dividend, that would trigger higher tax rates compared to original tax rate, and the excess dividends are prorated and assigned to prior years. And prior years means interest. IRS assigns interest to calculate additional taxes. And also potential impact when you declare compliance and filling out Form 8854. So that's the last point. So what's your solution? What's your solution? Solutions are, if the PFIC has not been reported for years, streamlined procedures are generally the best choice. Because you didn't know the rule, you may have completely misunderstood the rule, so you didn't have any intention to hide the existence of PFIC. Amended returns including Form 8621 for 3 years and preparation of a non-willful statement that pertains to the streamlined procedures. And I would caution you, try not to sell without careful analysis, because any gains recorded by selling the investment would trigger excess dividend treatment, i.e., highest tax rate and interest charged. And if I add more, the calculation is very, very cumbersome and complicated. Human manual work would usually not be able to produce the right result. You need a special program to calculate the end results. Therefore, do you have issues with PFIC? If so, please make an appointment for a consultation today. Scan the link or a description. Please scan the QR code or copy the link in the description page, and you can get started. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Take care.